My name's Keira Rumble. I am the CEO of Crumbled Foods. I'm also a travel writer and a food writer. So the home office really excites me because I work from home and I know the importance of being able to have it functional but then also relaxing. Okay. Not as bad as I thought, and the backyard is so pretty. This is not though. It's so, that's gotta go, but it's actually not as bad as I was expecting. Cute. What I am really excited to do is to convert the wardrobe into a desk, but then have bifolds so you can shut it away, sort of wind down from the work and have a really nice relaxing place. Bunnings have got an epic wallpaper that I've been wanting to try. It gives almost a texture, so you can paint whatever color and it adds that little bit of texture. When I was in Morocco, you saw the walls that had this beautiful sort of texture to it, so it's not just a standard finish, so that will be really fun. This space is going to be divided into 3 areas, and I'm going to try and bring a little bit of the earthy tone elements throughout. So you've got your work area with some office cabinetry or filing cabinet. We'll change the doors into bifold doors, so that will create more space and more versatility in the room. Then you've got the bed space, and then you've got the meditation space. I'm going to try and find a cane hutch and try and incorporate a little bit more cane into the room. And a room isn't finished without indoor plants.
Hey, we're from Bunnings.
Hey
we're here to help.
Are you guys ready?
Let's get started.
Doing the makeover with a couple of friends, or in this case, the Bunnings team, just makes it so much more fun and a lot easier. I'm going to attempt to take the doors off. Sorry. How easy is that? That was so easy. I'm actually low-key impressed with how easy that came off. I'm gonna go to Bunnings, pick out those bifold doors. What do we need to do? We need to tape up and then maybe prep the walls, and then we can start painting.
Yeah, sure.
Cool, awesome. Going on Pinterest, I get inspo. Walking through Bunnings, it's almost better because there's so much variety and you could just spend hours in here. I actually do. Lots to choose from when it comes to doors. I had no idea how versatile the wallpaper is. There's texture, there's different geometric prints, there's brick. I'm like a kid in a candy store. This is the wallpaper that I've chosen. It's got a really beautiful, fine, sort of grainy texture, and I'm going to paint some nice earthy tones over the top of it. Mesa Verde for the walls, and for the wallpaper, go a nice earthy, the Rodeo Drive. Loving the colour. And it's also tying in really nicely with all of the outdoor. I'm no pro when it comes to painting, I'll be the first one to say that. Sugar soap scrubs are a really good way just to get off the paint. And you know, that's my little DIY tip. As much as I would love to show you all how I would apply the wallpaper, which wouldn't be that good, we've actually got the experts coming in to show us how it's done. So it's like a paste, and then you just put it on.
Yeah, that's a paste.
Yeah.
It's gonna be thin layer, or else you gotta glue bubbles.
It's sort of like laminating a school book.
Yep. And you get it to the edge of the wall.
Yeah.
Cut up with a knife.
It looks so good. I can't wait to put some colour onto it.
It's all yours.
Thank you. This is the Rodeo Drive colour. Always have paint that matches your scrunchie. Moment of truth, here we go. Oh, shit. Ruin it before we do it. Are you guys gonna come help?
I'm gonna get some more brushes.
I'm kidding. That was a joke. It glides on so much easier than I thought. It's a design and look for less than half of the price that you'd normally pay. a DIY, make it your own artwork. What they've done outside is really clever. I love the vertical gardens, I like the privacy screen, but why can't we have this that's meant for outdoors inside? We've got these neon flex LED lights. Going to take this and stick it behind it and then pop it on the wall. Will fit right in the theme of that earthy sort of tones. It looks good. The new office furniture from Bunnings is really exciting because obviously we're doing the home office today. Now, a really quick and easy way to make it a little bit more you is to just simply change the handles. So what we've got here is Bunnings have got these beautiful little leather straps. These are the original handles, so I'm going to use the same screws, take them off, and then pop the new leather handles onto them. Just like that. Done, easy. The electrician is going to put in the power board with the USBs and then hang that beautiful pendant light.
So this works with Google Home. So you can control all your lights in the house off the app on your phone. Download the app on your phone, hit the on button, dim it.
The smart globe and the lights actually give you the power to be lying in bed, dimming your light, turning your lights off, or simply just saying, okay Google, let's put on the meditation mode. Boing! Welcome to Keira's greenhouse, Green Thumb workshop. I love indoor plants and we've got some really exciting ones. So aloe is something that I love and I have in my own home office, and it's got really good medicinal values too, which is handy. The devil's ivy is one that I have throughout my whole house, and these are great. They drape over, really beautiful, and this will be a really nice feature, especially with the green that we've got on the walls. And this one, this is the Zanzibar Gem. So the Zanzibar Gem is an up and coming trendy indoor plant. This is the mother-in-law's tongue, and I've been told it is really hard to kill, which is good for me. Oh no. That's how you do it. There we go. All right, nearly time for all of the furnishings. So let's clean this up. We'll put the blind on, the shears on, the desk in, and then we'll start doing all of the fun stuff, which is the styling.
Perfect.
Let's do it. There we go. Chickens are on! Bifold doors are nearly on, and we're going to be putting these cute little chunky black handles onto them. Looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, let's put the desk in.
Slide it in. Oh yeah, you got it. The PowerPoint.
Oh. Desk was a nightmare to put in. We really should have put the doors on last.
Good work. Wallpapers. Oh no.
Alright, it's done. There would have been a lot more swearing if I was doing that with my boyfriend. Cool, no, that looks good. All right, ready to start.
Oh, exciting. Oh, perfect.
This looks awesome. The cane hutch is a really good way to add in a little bit more of a fun element, and then it's a good place to put all your indoor plants and some little knickknacks. This is one of the most exciting things that we've got going on in this little home office, which is the Google Home, and this will be pretty much the lifeline to everything with it. I think it's done. It looks so good.
I know, it looks so pretty.
Well, who's got the rosé? The transformation from the start to now, it's just mind-blowing. Favourite part is definitely the wallpaper because it just gives this bit of difference, and the texture is great, and it's just a really inviting space to be able to do work. Bifolds are great, they modernise the space and create a lot more room. What I love about this room is that there are 3 completely unique spaces. So you've got the workspace, you've got the meditation space, but it also serves as an extra bedroom. Google Home is very snazzy, loving the dimmable meditation feature. Breath in through the nose.
Make it yours season 1.
Colours are very me, especially when we've got the beautiful photos of all of the travels. It also helps with everything just pop a little bit more. The home office, I didn't blow a bomb on. You know, we upcycled, we repurposed things, we put different handles on it to dress something up. A little budget can go a long way. I'm actually very impressed with how good it looks.
We have a lot of work to do here. I'm Steph Pace and I've got the laundry. I'm also going to be organising the pantry, the linen closet and the wardrobe. My favourite section! Jessie's painting has gone a little bit haywire.
It's my first time.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you've liked this episode. So you don't miss out on any more Make It Yours action, make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the Bunnings YouTube channel below.